Once again, welcome you all in this GK class. Today we will start our new theme, that is art, language and literature. In this theme we will learn about famous musician. So, as you know, music is a best friend of ours. We love to hear music, parties, in homes, in worship also. Music play great role, and it is also well said that music can heal the wound which medicine cannot. Yes. So first listen this audio and feel the charm of music. Then we will start our chapter. I hope you enjoyed this music. Now let's move to our chapter and start learning about famous musician. Now we will discuss about some famous musician. Let's get started. So our first musician is Hariprasad Chaurasia. It is a picture of Mr. Hariprasad Chaurasia. He is a famous musician. He played flute. So, about Hariprasad Chaurasia is an Indian music director and classical flautist who plays the flute in the Hindustani classical tradition. Mr. Hariprasad Chaurasia. Now the second is Beyonce. This is a picture of Beyonce. About Beyonce. Beyonce is an American singer, songwriter, record producer and actress. Born and raised in Houston, Texas, Beyonce performed in various singing and dancing competitions as a child. She is a famous actor, singer, Beyonce. Now the next is Freddie Mercury. This is a picture of Freddie Mercury. About Freddie Mercury, he is British singer, songwriter, record producer and lead vocalist of the rock band Queen, regarded as one of the greatest singers in the history of rock music. Now the next is Asha Bhosle. She is an Indian singer, musician. Here is the image of Asha Bhosle. Asha Bhosle is an Indian playback singer and entrepreneur. She is the best known for her playback singing in Hindi cinema. Zakir Hussain, a well-known tabla player. You have seen the ad of Wataj of Zakir Hussain. Zakir Hussain is also called Ustad. Ustad Zakir Hussain is an Indian tabla virtuoso, composer, music producer and film actor. Virtuoso means a person who is specialized for his famous skill. He is the eldest son of tabla player Ustad Allah Rakha. He was awarded in Padma Shri in 1988 and the Padma Bhushan in 2002 by the Government of India, presented by President Abdul Kalam. Next is Lata Mangeshkar. Lata Mangeshkar is a famous singer, playback singer. Lata Mangeshkar is an Indian playback singer and music director, as I have already told. She is one of the best known and most respected playback singer in India. She is also known as the Swar Kokila for her melodious voice. Now, the next famous musician is Anushka Shankar. Here is the image of Anushka Shankar. About Anushka Shankar, she is a British Indian sitar player and composer. She is the daughter of Pandit Ravi Shankar and Sukanya Rajan. A British Indian sitar player, Anushka Shankar. Here is the image of well-known face, Neha Kakkar. Everyone heard the singing of Neha Kakkar nowadays, a youngest singer. About Neha Kakkar, she is an Indian singer. She is the younger sister of singer-composer Tony Kakkar and playback singer Sonu Kakkar. She began performing at a very early age of religious event. In 2005, she participated in the second season of the singing reality show Indian Idol, and nowadays she must be seen as a judge in Indian Idol. Moving to our next magician, Adele. Adele Laurie Blue Atkin, MBE, is an English singer and songwriter. These are the singers, musicians, which we have talked today. Hope you have seen the video and understood about all the musicians. It's time to do worksheet. We will meet soon with new chapter. Till then, bye-bye.